people, today is the 4th of November 2017. Yeah, it's afternoon now. I haven't done much this morning, so nothing to report there, and that's why I'm now recording. I'm in St Stephen's. I'm going to go and see Lindsay and the children and pick them up to see what sort of a day we're going to have today. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know if we've got to go shop. I just don't know anything these days. But yeah, we'll just... Sorry a minute. We'll just see what happens today. I know I've got lots to do. I want to tidy up. I still got to sort the lights out on the fish tank. Front room's like a bomb site. Bathroom needs cleaning. But I don't know if Lindsay's got anything planned or not. So we'll just have to wait and see. I don't know if she wants to do anything or go anywhere or anything. I don't know. So we'll just see what today brings, I think. That's all we can do. But at some point I am going to have to tidy up my house and get it somewhat clean. Never mind. It's firework weekend, bonfire weekend, whatever you want to call it. So if you go into any displays or even having one at home, just be careful. Make sure your pets are locked up inside and doors. Yeah, just be careful. Make sure you're like wrapped up warm and stuff. And most importantly, do enjoy yourself. But yeah, go careful if you're having a display or go into a display. Yeah, we'll just see what happens today anyway. We'll see you later. You write your name, Bethy. Right, Bur.
Alright, keep going, you're alright. That's it. Keep it arm out. Watch what you're doing.
Big circles.
That's it. You do it quick. Let's together. Look at what Dad done. Oh! Spin it, Beth. Oh! Oh!
Oh, it's just gone out.
No, where have you put that? Don't touch it, Beth.
Go. Don't touch it. Leave it go. Here.
Oh, she's got the end.
That one ain't gone out, has it?
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
You've got one left, Bethy, so I'll wait for that one to go out before I light this one, alright?
Wait.
Yeah, don't worry, I won't light it until that one's finished. Well done. You
Do
it.
What's there? Big ones.
Maisie Mountain. Well, people, it's been a lovely day. Haven't done much recording, I know, and I'm really sorry for that, but camera angle, Daniel, that's better. Yeah, I haven't done much recording, I know, and I am sorry for that, but dear old Lindsay's managed to record a few bits for me. Dear old Bethy's been outside with some sparklers. I know it's not bonfire night, but yeah, she still had some sparklers. Thing is, Lindsay isn't a great lover of fireworks or anything like that, so yeah, She still put her fear to one side to let Beth have some sparklers. So well done, Lindsay, for putting your fear to one side and everything else. Nothing else has been really done like that in the sense anything exciting. Not that I can think of anyway. No, nothing really comes to mind, to be honest. But there you go. So we're now off to bed. It's like 7 minutes past midnight, according to my phone. So we're now going to go to bed. Hopefully tomorrow we can have a bit of a sort out and a bit of a busy day tomorrow. And I'll do a bit of housework. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry it's not a great deal, but it's what we've got, I'm afraid. So yeah, thank you for watching. Do take care. All being well, we'll speak to you tomorrow. But like I said, I don't know whether we will or not, purely because of, well, from what I've got planned, it's only housework, but we'll see. Yeah, good night, God bless.